All right, last time I showed you how to make this data table. Now we're going to look at functions in calculations. So you can easily type out calculations to do. So on here, count, average, and standard deviation. Average is the easiest. So I could just say this plus this all the way down and divide. All right. A shorter method would be to use the function sum, and you can click and sum all these and then divide by the count above. All right. If you had the count here. But since you're using a function sum, then why not just use the function average to do it? All right. And so how do you know that there's a function average is that the formal way is you would come over here to formula and then click insert function. It has the common one, it has them by it, but the easiest way is just to come into here and we can type we want the average and click it, and we can see it has several different ones, but average is the first one that we want, and then it can have the number, so you could do 1 and then here 2 and so on. But what's nice is you can actually just click in there and then click and drag, and it's smart like that. All right, we just click OK and boom, it pops it in there. What's weird though is that actually we don't even need to use that function. If you look down here, whenever I select the data, down here it's showing the average, the count, the sum. So natively, if we need those numbers, we can actually, Excel does it without having to do anything. We just have to select them. But most of the time we're going to want to use a function like that. All right, so what if we wanted the count? We can use count, and so what I use is count A, because it counts all the cells that are not blank. So count. And standard deviation, again, you can do the formal way, but get it close. And then we have this dot P and dot S. We're always going to use dot S. If your sample size is less than 20, that's what we use it for. And so that's it. All right. So we get the standard deviation. So what's really nice about this though is that if we had multiple trials, we can actually just copy and paste this just like we did with the data entry, or we could fill it over and drag and drop. All right. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you about calculations and functions, and then we'll have another video on print.